Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to instantly block your DU SIM card online in 2026. So if your phone is lost or stolen, blocking your SIM card immediately is the best way to protect your personal data, banking OTPs and WhatsApp account from being accessed by someone else. So here is how you can do it very easily. So the fastest way to block your SIM card is via the DU application. If you have the app installed on your device, you just have to log in into your account first. Then simply go to the option of manage, or you can select the option of settings. In the settings, you just have to select your number that is missing. Then tap on the option of suspend or block SIM. That option will be just underneath of your phone number. So as soon as you tap on this option, the number is going to basically block immediately. If you can't access the application, you can also follow the same steps via the DU website. If you prefer, you can also speak to someone. For that, you can call the DU customer care and their helpline number is 800-155. You can also basically contact them via the application. You are going to see this chat with us option. So you can select it and you can have a chat with them, or you can just basically give them a call that will be available on their official website. So on the call, you can ask them to report a lost SIM and they are going to help you in this regard. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.